welcome to Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom.
That's where we decided to do this video. And what's this video about today?
Well, this is going to be about doing Disney on a budget. You don't have to break the bank to come to any of the Disney parks.
Right, and it's going to depend widely on how big's your family also. But we're just going to show you a little example of how much money you can save by coming to Disney on a budget.
That's right. So let's cut to the clip where I'm going to show you guys what I bought and how much I paid for it. And then we'll come back and show you exactly how we're going to put it to use.
Stay tuned.
We wanted to show you guys that it is totally possible to go to Disney, any of the Disney parks, or even if you go to a theme park around you, for $20. Actually, this would be more like $10 a person if you break it down. So with a little planning, you can totally do this. So the first thing we did was go to the store and get some lunch supplies and some snack supplies to last us the day. This, of course, will depend on the size of your family, but I think this would be good for even the three of us, Scott, Sierra, and I. All right, so assuming that you like peanut butter and jelly, we got 10 of these Uncrustables. $6.48 for 10 of them. Now, if you're not familiar with these, you can also make regular peanut butter and jelly, which I'm sure would be a lot cheaper, because you could buy a loaf of bread, a little jar of peanut butter and jelly, make it at home, but I'm showing the quick way to do this. If you're unfamiliar with these, they are actually really good. They sell these at the Disney parks. So this is what it looks like. So realistically, you'd probably eat 2 of them if you're hungry, maybe 3 a person. So there's 10 here, so this gives Scott and I 5 apiece to eat throughout the day if we chose to. The bread, you might say, because this is in the frozen section, the bread is not soggy when it defrosts. It's really good. It's fresh. It's not soggy. The bread's not hard. So all you do is just let this defrost in the bag that you're taking when you get ready to eat. Pop it open and eat it. So you get 10 of these. So I also thought of options for people who do not like peanut butter and jelly, or if you're allergic to peanut butter. A lot of people are allergic to peanuts. There are also these. Lunch to go. And I got the albacore, but there are cheaper ones. I think the regular tuna is a little bit less expensive, but I bought 2 of these. So this would be, so these are $1.76. So you get crackers, this is what you get. Yep, so you get crackers, mayonnaise, relish, and the tuna. And a little spoon, so you get the spoon and the napkin in here. All you do is pour it into this little container. When you rip it open, mix it up and eat it. You have a little plate too. So I bought 2 of these. Rice Krispie treats. This is a pack of individually wrapped, 16 of them. And these were $3.68 for the Rice Krispie treats, and you get 16 of them. I also bought these little quart-size storage bags because I wanted to show you guys that you could do everything for under $20. So if you don't have these, you have to go out and buy them, which is a cost. These were 97 cents for 20 bags. I bought salty sticks. So we have something for if you are in the mood for something salty or something sweet. And these pretzels were $1.98. Now you might say, what about drinks? We need drinks. You can't choke on the peanut butter and jelly, and you definitely don't want to eat tuna dry without something to drink. Well, We got these. These are just little drink mixes. You can get lemonade, you can get all kinds of stuff, but these were 8 packets for $1. So this was only $1. Now for those of you who are not familiar, Disney will give you free ice water at the service counters. All you have to do is ask them for an ice water, no charge. They'll give it to you. And we, Scott and I, are not big water drinkers. As you can tell, we always have a soda in our hand, which is not good. Not saying it's good. Just saying that if you're not a big water drinker, this is a good option for you. Just take these little packets, add it to the water that they give you, and you have a fruit drink for, well, you get 8 for $1. And the water is free. So, pretty inexpensive, I'd say. So the grand total for this was $18.03, and that's including tax. So realistically, you have your drink. I think you have plenty of food. I mean, this is for 2 people. I mean, one person would actually be $10. You have 10 of these, 5 a person. You've got 2 of these, $1.76 a piece. You got 16 Rice Krispie treats. And you can make up to 20 bags of the pretzel sticks. Now you can always save the $1 and just take the bag of pretzels, but I'm gonna put it in Yoda, the backpack. So I'm just gonna put it in small portions so we could snack throughout the day. And then there's other options, healthier options. A banana, for example. I did not add that in the receipt because we already had bananas. But if you just buy a couple of bananas, they are generally about 19 cents where we are for a banana. So really we could have gotten quite a few bananas and still been under the $20 limit. Also, don't forget you could get just an orange or an apple. Grapes are pretty expensive, so I wouldn't put that in this $20 or under. But you can always substitute something like this if you don't want to give your kids a lot of sweets, or if you're not a big sweet eater, and just replace this with something else. For example, fruit. Or another thing I was going to get was applesauce, the little applesauce containers. I think they were only $1.76 for a 6-pack or something. So you can always get applesauce. Always a good option. You know, there's always spoons and forks throughout Disney that you could just get. You can also get granola bars in place of something here. And now we're going to show you guys how we do this. Alright, so what's this first thing we got here?
Okay, free water.
Free. Just go to the counter service, ask for a cup of ice water, and we have our little mix. So there we have our drink. You want to show them what else we're going to be eating today?
I like the lemonade myself.
Yeah, lemonade is
water
good.
With lemonade, but
I got the blueberry, the berry blue typhoon.
So I'm mixing it up here. Let me try it.
How's it taste?
Pretty good.
Good and free.
Good and free.
That's right.
On a hot day. They do give you free water here. We noticed today that there were some cast members out and about actually handing out water.
Mm-hmm.
So keep your eye out on that. So what's next?
You might want to put half a pack instead of a full pack in there.
Yeah.
That's pretty strong
pretty
stuff.
Darn.
Maybe we might ask for another cup of water, and
you could actually maybe do 2 of these cups right here with one pack.
one little packet.
Not kidding you.
Double the packet.
All right, this is kind of like my personal favorite. I eat these at home all the time, and they are pretzel sticks. Now Jolly gets me the cheap ones, from Walmart, and I like them a lot better than the more expensive ones. Plus, I kind of like them thinner. She
I
likes
like the sourdough, the big
thicker ones,
sourdoughs, but
I like these right here, and put them in a baggie. Could have filled it up.
yeah, I brought 2 bags.
You could snack on this all day long, no problem. But
guess
it's
how
also
much?
a good tip.
It was like $1 something, as you saw in the video. And we only filled 2 little bags. We could fill a lot of bags with the 1 bag I bought. And we're gonna have Crustables, peanut butter and jelly. Go ahead and open your Crustable.
I haven't had one of these in like
Forever.
2 years. Peanut butter and jelly's good. But what if they're allergic to peanut butter?
I also brought the tuna packs.
I like the tuna.
We can eat this for later on today.
Okay guys, let me read you something real quick. Before I do that, let me
One of the options, right? The option of if you want to bring a cooler.
Yep. Coolers.
We chose not to bring a cooler. Too much for us to haul around and
But it's another
have
option.
ice.
You could definitely bring a cooler. Let me just tell you the exact on the Walt Disney World website, coolers. Okay, it says the website states that suitcases, coolers, or backpacks with or without wheels.
So you can have wheels.
Yeah, cannot be larger than 24 inches long, 15 inches wide, and 18 inches high. They are not permitted in the park. So let me say it one more time. All right, so they cannot be larger than 24 inches long, 15 inches wide, and 18 inches high. That's your limits for a cooler, but you could bring your own Mountain Dew in a cooler.
And we have seen people rolling around small coolers.
So go to your favorite shopping place, Walmart, Publix, Winn-Dixie, wherever you're from, and stock up and bring it along with you. That will save you a lot of money.
Or do what we did.
All right, with that also being said, I'd like to mention that even if you wanted to, say you're staying at Walt Disney for 5 days, you can also get one of the popcorn buckets, and it's only $2 to refill them for your stay. So if you're here 5 days, you get 1 popcorn bucket for, I forget how much it is.
I think it's $10.
After that, it's $2 to fill it up. That
and
could
you have
save
a souvenir.
Yeah, that could save you a lot of money. So, anything else, Jolly? So you got your free water, you got your pretzel sticks throughout the day. You got your packets. Oh yeah, we also brought these, which are the Rice Krispie treats. Good stuff. So guys, you're asking, is it possible to come to Disney on a budget?
Absolutely.
The answer is yes. Plan ahead, have your everything that you need together, and you can easily do it, no problem.
Yeah, you could potentially not spend any money on food.
That's
you
correct.
can also bring, like I mentioned while we were at home, you could bring bananas or an orange or
any
apple.
kind of fruit.
Yeah, that won't break the bank. Just maybe if you want to bring a insulated cooler, like a little tiny one that's like a little lunch bag, and put some of those frozen, I'm talking about the ice packs, not necessarily ice, but an ice pack to keep your fruit cool, or applesauce, like I said before. You could do that too. So we could be here all day and not spend a
hardly
dime.
any money.
Nothing. We don't have to spend anything on food, really.
Right.
Because we could eat the snacks, we could eat the Rice Krispie treats, we still have the tuna to eat, and we have a whole day's worth of drinks.
So if you're a family on a budget, here's some tips that may be able to save you a lot of money.
Absolutely.
Until the next video, guys, we hope you enjoyed these tips
Yeah,
right
hope they're
here
helpful.
from Animal Kingdom. Have a great day.
Bye.